Hi friends, what do you find in the above picture? In this picture we find an eagle and a fox. And what is the eagle known for? The eagle is able to fly to far off distances only because of higher distances only because of its beautiful feathers. That's the gift given by God to an eagle. And fox, whenever we talk about fox, fox is personification of cunningness. Let us know the story of the eagle and fox. Once an eagle was flying to a great height because of its beautiful feathers. Its attention was drawn by a fox carrying earthworms. It wanted to taste those earthworms. As soon as the thought came to its mind, it landed beside the fox. Can you give me an earthworm, please? I have never tasted such earthworms before, requested the eagle. Why not? But on one condition. You have to pay for it, said the fox. Come on, tell me, what do you want me to give you in return? Asked the eagle. You have to give me 2 of your feathers for each earthworm, continued the fox. Sure, said the eagle, plucked out 2 feathers from its wings and gave them to that fox. It carried an earthworm on its beak, landed on a huge rock, and started eating it. How delicious it is! I want to eat one more. It thought so and again landed beside the fox. Every time the fox was demanding for its feathers and eagle was enjoying the feast of earthworms. In this way, it lost all its feathers and realized that it was not in a position to fly because it completely lost all its feathers in its wings. Power of eagle lies only in its feathers, so it could not move a bit. It became prey to the cunning fox. Then it was the turn of fox to enjoy the feast of the eagle. Thus, this story reveals that every bird, every animal, every human being is given some gifts by God. When birds have the ability to fly in air because of their beautiful wings or feathers, some aquatic animals like fish, crocodiles, and all these able to live in water because of their body structure, because of their body is structured in that way. And we human beings are also gifted in many ways. Some people have the power in their hands. They can make beautiful decorative items. Their hands are very good at cooking. They may be good at painting. And some people have melodious voice. So their strength is in their voice. And some people's strength is in their legs. They may take part in athletics. They may give excellent dance performance. So everybody in this world is talented. What we have to do is we have to be satisfied with the gifts which are given by God, and we should not be carried away by outward temptations. That is the lesson which we learn from this story. Thus, in our journey of life, we come across many temptations and all. And if we want to achieve our goals, achieve success in our life, we should not be carried away by these temptations.